In today's video, I'm going to teach you Blackbox AI versus ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know which tool fits your work, whether you're deep in code all day or juggling writing, research, and brainstorming. Let's start with Blackbox AI. Think of it as a specialist built squarely for coding and software development. It's designed to live where developers already work, inside IDEs and coding environments, so suggestions appear right in your editor. Its strength is speed, fast code autocomplete, and quick snippet generation that helps you move from idea to implementation without breaking flow. If you're automating repetitive tasks, filling in boilerplate, or stitching together common patterns, Blackbox AI is set up to streamline that workflow. It focuses on programming rather than general conversation, which helps it stay efficient and on task for developers who want less back and forth and more output in the editor. Now, ChatGPT is a general-purpose AI assistant that shines across many kinds of work. It's strong for writing and editing, research synthesis, clear explanations, and coding help when you need reasoning, context, or step-by-step guidance. The conversational experience is a major advantage. You can ask for clarifications, iterate on drafts, and explore alternatives naturally. It's great for learning concepts, debugging with detailed reasoning, and brainstorming approaches before you write a line of code. Beyond programming, it supports tasks like outlining articles, simplifying complex topics, or drafting emails, which makes it versatile if your day includes more than just development. Here's how they compare in key areas. For coding speed, Blackbox AI usually has the edge, particularly when you want fast auto-completion and short, accurate snippets inside your IDE. For writing and communication, ChatGPT performs better, helping you organize thoughts, polish tone, and explain ideas clearly. When it comes to learning and explanations, ChatGPT is stronger, offering step-by-step reasoning and approachable tutorials. For IDE integration, Blackbox AI is the clear winner, thanks to its tight fit in coding environments. And, in overall versatility, ChatGPT covers more use cases, from planning and research to creative drafting and technical walkthroughs. So, how should you choose? If your main goal is coding productivity and you live in an editor, pick Blackbox AI. If you need an all-around AI assistant that balances writing, research, explanations, and coding help, go with ChatGPT. Many developers may benefit from using both together. Let Blackbox AI accelerate code inside the IDE, while ChatGPT handles brainstorming, documentation, and deeper explanations alongside it.